Is A313 the next best thing since Retin A? Is it a Retin A alternative? And why do so many people love it? If you're interested in this and my final thoughts on this product, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Mona, and this is About Face with Mona. This is a channel geared towards everything for mature beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's free. Go ahead and press that button. And while you're at it, click the notification bell. That way you won't miss a single upload in the future. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Some people call it a scam, some people say it's hype, and some people say it's their next holy grail. What is true? So this is the down and dirty, no nonsense review. So it has been about 4 months since the first time that I used A313 on my skin. This is my final review and thoughts on this product. So being a science geek and wanting to know the science behind whatever I'm using, and that claims are really what they say they are, I have read every article I could find on this product. And this is what it's boiled down to. Is A313 a Retin A or prescription tretinoin replacement? It is not. Is it useful for people who cannot use tretinoin? Maybe, maybe not. What I would tell you is that this is definitely the weakest form of any retinol product that I have purchased, and any retinol product in my arsenal. The percentage of retinol esters in this product are very small. Why do people love this product so much? It's possible that the penetration enhancers that are in this product are driving some results with the retinol esters, maybe more than we would normally expect to see. I don't think this is going to transform your skin because of the retinol esters in here. Is it possible? Yes. Do I know for sure? No. We don't have enough studies. Nobody knows for sure. We have subjective opinions based on people's experience with using the product. When I apply it at night, within 5 to 10 minutes, the product is completely absorbed. There is no transfer on my pillow. There's no greasiness on my pillow. There's nothing sitting on top of my dry skin. When I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so soft and hydrated that you're like, wow, this product must be a holy grail. It must be doing something, right? This must really be what it claims to be. But then I kept reading the articles, right? And I kept saying, just doesn't make sense scientifically that this would be responsible for transforming my skin, especially compared to my prescription tretinoin. If you guys have not seen my other videos on this, I will have those linked up top and linked in the description below. I did one other video on this where I talk about it more in depth, and you can see that. This is a follow-up to that video. The science showed me that there are 3 retinol esters in this product that require a 2-step conversion process in your skin until it gets to an active form of retinoic acid, which is in my prescription tretinoin or anyone's prescription Retin A product that they get from their physician. How could A313 possibly transform my skin better than a prescription strength product that I was already using? Prescription strength product with known research, tried and true data proving the effectiveness of prescription tretinoin or Retin A. I couldn't understand how that could be, but yet I couldn't explain why it felt so good on my skin. Kept looking at the ingredients, kept looking at the research studies, and I think what it boiled down to is it's just hydrating. Wake up in the morning, immediately my skin just feels hydrated, soft to the touch. It's smoother. Lines may look better than they did on my tretinoin because that was drying, and I have recently upped my game to the 0.1%, which is causing increased dryness, and sometimes your skin looks worse before it looks better. I was in that phase, and on the nights that I used this, wow, I woke up and everything looked good. My makeup applies better, it looks better on all of that. I started a little experiment because basically I'm thinking that the retinol esters may help some over time, and I still believe that. You add in the penetration enhancers that are in this product, which means that it enhances the possible delivery of the retinol esters into my skin. Over time, if you are not able to use Retin A, this may possibly be an alternative. However, I still think that there are stronger over-the-counter retinols that can deliver a better tretinoin Retin A retinol effect to your skin. But I still like this. I kept thinking, what is making my skin so good has to be the petrolatum in it, the petroleum-like substance in this pomade. 3 nights, I put the A313 on this half of my face, $30 hydrator, and on the other side, I put a less than $10 Aquaphor product. Woke up in the morning, and guess what? Both sides felt equally hydrated. Because my skin is so dry, both products soaked in. Neither one were on my pillow. Neither one were in my hair. So while it's drying or absorbing into your skin, you do have to move your hair back, like so, to keep it from getting greasy or oily. So then for the next 3 nights, I tried less than $30 A313 on this side of my face. And I tried less than $5 Vaseline on this side of my face. With the Vaseline, there was some transfer on my pillow and some got into my hair. It didn't absorb quite as well as the A313 or the Aquaphor, but in the morning, the benefit to both sides of my face were equally the same, with the exception that maybe the A313 might have dried down just a tiny bit matter than the side with the Aquaphor or the Vaseline. But the hydration effect, the softening effect, was equal. So my final thoughts on this product are, if you are looking for a fragrance-free, affordable moisturizing agent that will truly moisturize, hydrate your skin at an affordable price point, which will in turn plump up fine lines and wrinkles, I think this is a great choice. And the fact that it does have the retinol esters in it, we can hope that possibly some of that is getting into our skin with the penetration enhancers, and it is doing some cell turnover and maybe some elastin and collagen production over time with consistent results. I think that's a possibility. Immediately, you can benefit from the hydrating effects of this product. It's available for less than $30. How much do we pay for some moisturizers? Some moisturizers are very expensive. I can tell you that I have not used another moisturizing agent that I feel like rivals the A313. But I don't think it touches the efficacy of my prescription tretinoin. So how am I going to use this product going forward? I am using my 0.1% prescription tretinoin, and then I am applying this on top of it. And that's how I'm using it. I wake up in the morning with a very hydrated face. I am still getting the effects of my prescription tretinoin. Am I going to discontinue use of this? I'm not. For me, it's still a very good moisturizer. And it's better than any moisturizing agent that I can think of. So who would I recommend this for? I would recommend this for anybody with super dry skin, anybody looking for immense hydration, anybody who wants to plump up those signs of fine lines and wrinkles through moisturizing agent. If you have never used a retinol product at all, this could be a great gateway product into retinols. And then you can increase the strength of your retinols once you've gotten acclimated to the retinols in this product. But I don't think it's a replacement for prescription tretinoin, and I don't think it's a replacement for stronger retinol or retinaldehyde products that are on the market or over the counter. You win with this is the hydration. That's just my experience. Final thoughts are that it is not a replacement for prescription tretinoin. It is not even a replacement for a strong retinol or retinaldehyde product. But that it is a great hydrating, moisturizing agent. It is great for my dry, mature skin. It has made my dry, mature skin look better because it has hydrated it uberly. I'd love to hear your thoughts below if you've tried this product. If you're loving it, I'm definitely going to keep using it, but I'm not counting on it to get rid of my wrinkles. See you all in the next video. Bye.